It's now time to define your ad creative and what people really see when they see your ad. In this lecture, you're going to learn how you can pull images from your website to use as part of your ad, how you can get free stock images from Facebook to use as your ad, and how you can even use existing posts as part of your ad. And there's a key advantage in doing that. Now, as a reminder, we are still working here inside the Ads Create tool, working at the final stage of the ad creation process, which is the ad level. Now, the first thing that you'll see here is the option at the top of the page to create a brand new ad or use an existing post. Now, as I said, I'll walk you through both of those scenarios, but the key thing, regardless of which option you choose, is to choose an ad format that is appropriate for your ad objective. So you can see here that I have a number of different options to choose from. Now, in my example campaign here, my objective is to get clicks to a website. And so I want to choose an ad format that is really appropriate for that. The best option for clicks to website is probably a carousel ad or a single image ad, and probably a single image ad just being the simplest. People will see the image, they click on the image, and they'll go to my website. I wouldn't want to choose a single video for this type of campaign, because if I choose a single video, people will just watch the video and not necessarily click through. So be sure that you select the ad format that is appropriate for the objective that you have set up here in the campaign level. Once you've chosen your ad format, the next step is to start building out your ad and create something that looks good. You can see here now for the ad preview, nothing is showing up, and really you want to select the media for your ad. That's the next step. Probably the easiest thing to do if you have a clicks to website campaign like I'm setting up is simply just put in your website URL, and Facebook will really pull the image from that page and show it up here as part of your ad. They also pull some of the text from that page, and you can see already I'm starting to get something that looks pretty good. So that's how you just simply pull the images from the landing page that you are sending people to, and that is one of the fastest ways just to create an ad very, very simply. Now, if you do not have a good image on your landing page, well, you do have the option to add images from your own computer here and just upload them. If you don't have those, you can add in free stock images. And this is a great resource that's built into the tool and really can save you a lot of time digging around trying to find something good. So how this works is you just simply type in a keyword like business success as I've chosen here, and I can try and find an image that looks appropriate. So this one looks pretty good here. I'm going to add that in and just click done. Now, one cool thing at this point is you can add in up to 6 different images. At no extra cost, what Facebook will do is then test those 6 different images and see one which really performs best. So this is something to do, a quick split test that you can do even at this stage very, very easily. And I wouldn't worry about this too much, but if you have 1 or 2 images that you want to test out, this can be good to do at this point. So that's really how you add in images from your own computer or using those free stock images. Now, the final option you have is to use an existing post, and there is a key advantage in doing this. The advantage is really that all of the reactions and comments that you got on your original post will be shown in the ad. So for example, we can see a preview of it here. This was a live video on Facebook that I did. It'll show up as live. Now it's showing up as sponsored, but you can see all of the comments that I got there. That gives huge social proof. If people see that in their Facebook newsfeed, they go, hey, a lot of people are interested in this. You know, maybe I'm going to be interested in it as well. Now, a key thing to do is if you are choosing an existing post, remember once again to use an ad format that is appropriate for your objective. So in this particular case here, this is a video ad. This wouldn't be appropriate for my ad as I want to get people to click through to my website. But how you can really choose posts and find one that are good is once you've added in your Facebook page here, you're going to see a list of page posts below that you can choose from. click on the drop down and you can see in terms of the most recent all of the different posts that you have put out. Now this doesn't give you a lot of information about which one you should choose, and so what I recommend is maybe coming into your Facebook page insights, coming down to posts, sorting all those posts by reach just by clicking on it here. It's going to show it from the lowest to the highest. Click it again, now it shows it from the top highest to the bottom, and I can pick out an appropriate existing post with the ad format that I want that's really going to work. In my case here now, I'm going to set one up from scratch because none of these posts are really, I think, appropriate for the ad, but that is a great option to do if you do have existing posts, or even to think about going forward. Can I put out some posts prior to a campaign, test them out, then use them as part of the campaign? So in this lecture, you've learned how to really select the media for your ad, really uploading an image or video from your landing page or website, from your own PC, using the stock images, or using an existing ad. Go ahead now, take a few minutes, dig through your own archives or add them in from your website, or use those free stock images, and go ahead and try and find images that are bright, high resolution, and that really look attractive and will make people want to click on them.